Well, good Friday morning. It's been a warm morning so far. That started out this morning. We had overcast conditions all night last night, even past daybreak. We had overcast conditions till around 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning. It was a warm morning. We had lows this morning in the mid to upper 60s across southeast Texas. It was some 30 to 33 degrees warmer this morning than it was yesterday morning. Very, very warm this morning with those breezy southwest winds. We started out with clouds and now we're becoming sunny and mostly sunny across the area on our roofing 911 Skycam network up in Jasper, sponsored by Provalis. Going to be a beautiful Friday afternoon, a little bit windy at times though, but high temperatures should top out around 80 to 82 later today. Lakes area, you were also warm this morning. You had 64, 65 degrees. We had 67, 68 for lows here in the Triangle. It was very, very warm this morning with a southwest breeze. It was pretty breezy. And of course, we had overcast conditions across southeast Texas. Tonight, drier air really won't start working in until close to daybreak. I think most of the night tonight's going to be fairly warm still ahead of that front with winds out of the southwest. Mostly sunny down in Port Arthur. Our roofing 911 Skycam network there, sponsored by Market Basket. So just a few stratocumulus clouds left over. These clouds very, very shallow indeed. They'll be mixing out. Drier air is beginning to work in from the west and southwest. That's another reason it's going to be so warm this afternoon. Southwest winds, drier air, lots of sun, and we're looking at highs around 80 to 82 coming up this afternoon. So it'll be a warm day, and then we'll have, as we talked about that little front coming in late tonight toward daybreak. Over in Orange, you're mostly sunny now too, just some flat cumulus clouds there on our roofing 911 Skycam network over in Orange, sponsored by the Horseman's Western Store. So nice afternoon coming up, that's for sure. No weather issues. A little bit windy though. Well, some southwest winds. We've had some gusts to 17, 18. We may have some gusts to 25 or 30 later on today, but I guess the only bad news in the forecast really is just not much of a chance of rain. Of course, we're very dry. We need the rain. I just don't see it. Maybe next Thursday at the earliest, and that's still a long ways away. Here in Beaumont, well, we're sunny, clear, and temperatures already in the mid 70s on our roofing 911 Skycam network here in Beaumont. So nice afternoon shaping up, that's for sure, and that'll be area wide. Looks like a nice weekend coming up too. Visible satellite shows us clearing out nicely. See the cloud streaks there, everything working northeast as far as the clouds. 76 Beaumont, 77 in Jasper, 75 at Orange. Lots of sunshine. Oh, a beautiful afternoon coming up the rest of the day. Clouds shifting off to the east, lots of sun. That drier air working in from the west and southwest, getting mixed down to the surface, and that's giving us that nice afternoon coming up. Like I said, the weekend looks nice too. We'll have a little bit lower humidity and a little bit cooler temperatures. Instead of the 80, 82 today, we'll be in the lower to mid 70s coming up for tomorrow. That front still way off to the northwest though, but it'll reach us by daybreak tomorrow morning. No rain with it as it comes in. All the moistures get scoured out, moved on to the east. Little low pressure system there in northern Missouri with some dynamics. That's moving out. Oh, lots of clear skies across the state this morning. Behind that front, a little bit cooler, and we'll get closer to normal, at least for lows coming up Saturday night, Sunday night. Nothing too terribly cold, not like this last front, that's for sure. That was certainly a cold one there. Notice the rain with that system north of Little Rock, northeastern Arkansas, over to around Memphis into northern Mississippi. But that upper level disturbance stayed well to our north and northeast, and just no disturbances at all coming at us from the west or southwest anytime soon. In fact, high pressure in the mid and upper atmosphere will build into the area coming up for the middle part, the early and middle part of next week. Wind gusts this afternoon, so the arrows there coming out of the southwest with some gusts to 26 to 30 at times the rest of the day into this evening. See a gust to 24 there, 23. So yeah, it'll be pretty windy this afternoon at times. Other than that, very, very nice. And this is at 11 o'clock tonight too, by the way. Still pretty breezy. It's going to be a warm night. We're looking for lows probably most of the night well into the 60s. And then as we head toward daybreak, we'll start cooling off as that cold front works in from the northwest, and we'll see our winds beginning to shift to the north at that time. Boy, this has been a big deal here. This map looked really impressive this morning when it showed 32 degrees warmer than it was this time yesterday at 6, 7, 8 o'clock this morning. And we're still 10 to 12 degrees warmer now than we were this time yesterday. Pretty much the same off to our east and west. No real change as far as that goes, with lots of sun and southwesterly winds. And temperatures, even this weekend behind the front, will be a little bit above normal still, even on Saturday and Sunday. So pretty nice outdoor plans, no problems at all. Let's take a look at Futurecast now. Doing a good job showing the southwest winds. Coming up the next few hours, they'll continue out of the southwest, continue out of the south and southwest overnight. Tonight, there's the front around daybreak, so dropping to the upper 50s to near 60 by morning. But as I mentioned a while ago, most of the night's going to be pretty warm. We'll have northerly winds taking over. Could be a few clouds too. I don't expect a all-day cloud cover tomorrow, that's for sure. But notice Futurecast kind of wrapping around some low clouds at times tomorrow. That is possible. Models showing a little bit of that low-level moisture kind of wrapping around that low that's moving out in Arkansas. But overall, I think it's going to be mostly sunny tomorrow the way it looks. And by 7 p.m. tomorrow evening, a little bit cooler, 55. So we'll be near 80, 82 today, low to mid 70s tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we drop into the 50s. And then by Sunday morning, 40s. Show you that in just a moment. All right, rainfall. Wish we had some rainfall to talk about, because that's what we desperately need. I just don't see much in the forecast the next several days. The models are hinting at a upper level trough, upper level disturbance coming in next Thursday with a little bit stronger front, by the way. We'll have a little bit stronger front coming in next Thursday, Friday. Models trying to spit out a little bit of rain next Thursday. This may be overdone because it's going to change. It's a week out, well, 6 days out. It's going to change, but maybe some hope for a few showers coming up by Thursday and Friday of next week, followed by our next cold front. Be a little bit stronger than the front we have coming in for tomorrow morning. Speaking of fronts, it's going to lower our temperatures pretty close to normal. This is Sunday morning. Today's Friday, Sunday morning. The front comes in tomorrow. So we're back in the 40s for lows. Sunday morning, mid 40s. That's just a couple of degrees above normal, not much. Low 40s Sunday in the lake. So it'll be kind of chilly a little bit. Saturday and Sunday night both. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then we warm up pretty good coming up for afternoon highs. So we'll show you on the 7-day in just a moment. Becoming mostly sunny to sunny this afternoon, around 80. I wouldn't be shocked to see an 81, 82 across parts of the area. Southwest winds 10 to 20, some gusts to 30. And once again, close to 80, lakes and the triangle. And as we head into tonight, mostly clear. It'll be a comfortable evening, a little bit breezy. Most of the night, I still think it's going to be in the 60s. These 50s you see here for tomorrow morning for the low, that's probably going to occur around daybreak. Let's say 6, 7, 7:30 in the morning, 50s. And then tomorrow we should see mostly sunny skies. Could be some clouds early in the morning, but overall a nice weekend. Certainly no rain. Winds will be out of the west, becoming north tomorrow, up to about 10. So a little bit of a northerly breeze. Notice lots of sunshine over the weekend. So near 80 today. We'll drop some temperatures, a few degrees tomorrow, 74, 68, a little bit cooler there. Sunday, lots of sun. Then the winds right back out of the south-southeast. So low 70s Monday,